So it looks like the ceramic balls are actually retaining the heat to keep the fire going longer, because everything else on the outside of them has went out, but up against that log where that is, I think what's going on is all that heat is still holding in, and that's what's keeping that little bit of log burning. It's going on 2 hours now on that one log, so that's pretty awesome. In this video, what I have here for y'all today is this is a ceramic fireball set. This is a 10-piece set, and this is by the company Heyfurni, is I think's how you would say that. And just looking over the box here, you know, they have little flames in the box. That looks really cool. And you can kind of see these are the number 3 quantities, one set. I guess it's a set of 10, and a little bit of info for them. And then just open it up here and check out how they have these loaded in here. These look really cool. I'm just gonna open one up and let you see one, because you know what? You've seen one, all the other 9 look the same. Okay, taking it out of the package here and looking over it, well, number one, there's a lot of like little black soot that gets on there. And I have been wanting some of these for my fire pit. So what these will do, they'll actually hold the heat and then glow red when it gets up. And it'll get up to 800 to 1000 degrees as far as the heat. And they'll actually radiate the heat, so it gives you like this warm, hot fire in my fire pit. And I'm actually gonna just throw like maybe 4 or 5 in there and then save 4 or 5. And then we'll let them just burn. They're made completely out of ceramics, and they have this like sphere type ball to them right here. They're very light. Like, I'm picking this thing up, it doesn't weigh anything. And looking over here, they are 3 inches by 3 inches. So that's a 3 inch by 3 inch. I'm very interested to see how these things burn and see what they do when you look at them. And it, you know, the whole package is like 11 inches by this away right here as far as overall package. So let me go ahead and throw them in the fire. I've got a little fire going, and let's see how long before, you know, it starts retaining some heat. So let's do that over to the fire. So let's go over to the fire pit now and put them on the fire. All right, everybody, there it is. I built a little fire. Let them go for a minute. You can see the ceramic balls down in there. I just put like maybe 6 of them in there, and I can tell a difference in the heat. You know, it doesn't look like they're flaming up because this is a wood burning fire pit. This is not propane, but propane, it would disperse the heat a little better. But I like them. I think they're cool. I think it's a cool addition to a fire pit for anybody that has an outside fire pit. I recommend these things. So that's all I got today, everybody, on the Heyfurni ceramic fireballs, 10-piece. See y'all in the next video.